Well, hi folks, I'm just going to make some dead simple plant pots today, flower pots, quite small ones, really easy to make, dead simple shape. I'll just get on and make a few of these. With these I'm going to centre it quite flat because they're going to be wide at the bottom, so I'm just going to centre it like so. It out a bit, flatten the bottom off. Really just a couple of moves these pots, so first one I'm just going to slightly lift it up and cone it in. And now basically the main move is just to lift it up. See, it's just about do it in one move. Just tidy the edge off and roll the rim over. As you can see, they're very, very simple pot to make. Make a few more, make some slightly different shaped ones, but that's the sort of bog standard shape, if you will. So again, just centering it quite flat. Stretching it out and flattening the bottom off. Grip a bit. The clay's been left out, so it's a little bit lumpy. So dead easy to make. Make this one a little bit more sort of wider at the base, narrowing in and then widening out again. Got a slightly wider base than the rest, but they're all quite similar. base flared out more. That the joys of having a shop. As you can see with that one, that's a little bit more flared out at the top. So let's have a look. One lift. Just makes it a lot easier and quicker. Trying to leave it quite thick at the tops. Right, so that's what, five plant pots, all slightly different shapes. Some a bit more flared out at the top, but all in all, dead easy shape to make. So there you go, folks, a few little plant pots.